Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Mary. Welcome back to my channel in case you're new here. And if you're new, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, tap that subscription button, like, comment and share to your family and friends. So without further ado, today's video I'm gonna show you what I shopped yesterday from House of Leather and also at Jumia online shopping. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. Before I get started, let me show you the outfit of the day. So yes, you can see what I'm doing today is a white jacket, as you can see, but you can also do it as a dress the way I'm doing it. And without forgetting, as you can see, I have these sandal shoes. How do we call the sandal shoes? Kindly comment down below in the comment section, let me know. And then I have these particular beaded necklace here. It's so superb guys, because you can see the color pops here with the beads. It's so perfect and marvelous guys. As you can see, I have this bangle here, beaded also, a red one. It's so perfect guys. And you can see my hair also. I'm trying to like make it look so fabulous. So guys, comment down below what do you think about the dressing code of the day. The electricity just disappeared. Feeling like I want to sneeze. Okay, so guys, I am sitting here because I want to show you what I got from House of Leather. So yesterday I went to House of Leather with my friend and we shopped some things, and things are literally expensive. I wish I had money because there were so many things that were so interesting and they were so beautiful. I just wish that I could grab all of them, but because my pocket was not full of cash or full of money as I would wish, I ended up taking few things. But yeah, it's okay, it's better than none. And then also from the House of Leather we went to the restaurant that is Kilimanjaro Hotel. We went and had lunch. We couldn't shoot because, as you know, Nairobi, they don't allow shooting. We're not allowed to shoot, so I don't have the footage of that, so bear with me. So right away, let me show you what I got. So I bought this beautiful stuff here. Ta-da! Okay, so this one I have a vase like this one. This one is a vase for flowers. So I didn't buy flowers as I have told you I didn't have enough money with me, so I bought this one. So this one 800. So you can see, so this one I'll buy marbles and put inside, and then I buy the artificial flowers, I put it inside, and then I just put it in front of the television so that it can be perfect, or rather when you buy the TV stand, this will be perfect for that particular place. So I have this one, and the reason why I bought this one, even if the patterns are not going to be the same, I have another one. That one I was gifted at Jumia. It was Christmas. Yeah, someone gifted me this. So you see, this one has been lonely all alone until I'm putting some receipts here and all that. So at least now that there are two, I'll have now to decorate. I'll put flowers inside and then it will be perfect guys. So you can see, although it's not like look alike, but it's almost the same. Yeah, they're beautiful. So I'm gonna use that. So that is that. And then the next one, I have this one. Bear with me guys, I have allergy, so if you see me like, bear with me. Alright, so I have another one here. Yeah, beautiful one, a pink one. So this one, of course, also with a TV stand, I'll have to decorate it somewhere there when we buy it. But at the moment, I'll just put it there. I'll just put it on top of the cupboard there. You because it's pink in color. So I'll put it there so that it can complement the white color, and the white ones I'll put it on this black table because it will complement the black color. So this one actually was going for 1,600, and yeah guys, is it worth it? Comment down below. It's so beautiful guys, so beautiful. Yeah, so this is a vase also, and I'll have to look for flowers as well to put here. Ain't they beautiful guys? Ain't they beautiful? I'm gonna move this one. Raining. Ha! Ain't they beautiful? Alright, on to the next one. Let's unwrap it. Oh my god, this is what amazed me the most. I've always been looking for something like this, the small kettle. So whenever I'm watching my movies in the evening, or rather when the rain is out there and I'm on my movies, I just take my coffee. You see, it's just a small one for just entertainment and fun purposes. You just enjoy your life. You enjoy your life, you know, you understand. So I've been looking for something like this, and luckily House of Leather had it. And so guys, this was going for 1,000 shillings. I love it so very much. And well, you can see now I have a full appetite of taking tea, of taking coffee right here. Okay, yes, but I didn't buy the small, that mini cups for it. That is the next project. Yeah, you can see. Comment down below, what do you think about it? Is it worth it? Is it lovely? To me, this is my favorite. I love it so very much, and I can't wait to take my coffee from this kettle, from this beautiful, lovely and chic kettle. I love it. Yeah, so that was what's up. So this is House of Leather products, and now heading to the junior one. Actually, for this one, I wasn't the one that bought it. I was bought. So yeah, and others are on the way. So let's check what is here. What is in here? Yeah, I love the junior packaging so much. You can see the packaging in junior is dope. It's wonderful guys. You are rest assured that your staff are well protected and they'll reach when they are safe. Wait, you can see we have a beautiful, elegant handbag here, a leather. This is pure leather guys, pure leather. This is not pure leather, it is pure leather. And you can see also the handles are wrapped just to protect, and it's so wonderful guys. I love this compartment here, and inside also we have so many compartments as you can see. So we have this one here, and it has another one here, other compartments on the sides here, and then we have an extra handle here in case you just want to carry it as a sling bag. We just use this one, so it's a legit bag. So we have another compartment here, you can see, so you can put more and more stuff. This can be a travel bag if you want to like travel to a country, or you want to sleep over somewhere. That is a go-to bag. You can see inside it's so big. We have another compartment here, zipped across. Let's open, see, yeah, this one. So yeah, this is an ideal bag and I don't regret it. This one, we bought it an offer, and it was going for 999. That is 1,000 shillings. That is $10. Yeah guys, so it's so beautiful. What do you think about it? Comment down below in the comment section. Is it worth it? Do you love it? Yeah, so this is awesome, and that is what I got from Junior, and it's so perfect, so marvelous. I love it. Yeah, so that's what's up. There are some things that they haven't come yet, but still waiting for them from Junior. Maybe I'll show you once they're here. guys, yep, that's what's up, and I think I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button, like, comment, and tap the notification bell in case you haven't, so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, let me see you on the next video. Au revoir.